Welcome to Atmic Yoga, where we explore the ancient secrets of yoga and unlock the mysteries of human body. Today, we are going to reveal a powerful technique that has been hidden in the plain sights. It's a practice that can transform your digestive health, boost your metabolism, and can even awaken your inner energy. Say namaste to Agnisaar Kriya, the fire breath technique that the yogis have practiced for centuries. But that's not all. This simple and potent technique has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, improve mental clarity, and even increase your self-confidence. But what makes Agnisaar Kriya so special, and how can you harness its power to transform your life? Keep watching till the end to find out as we dive deep into the benefits, steps, precautions, and all the secrets about Agnisaar Kriya. This is Ranjini, a certified yoga teacher, pregnancy yoga trainer, and a meditation coach from Atmic Yoga. Let's get started. First, let's see how to perform this Agnisaar Kriya. Let's land into the technique. Step 1 is preparation. The stomach and bowels should be empty before starting this practice. So it is ideal to perform this practice in the early morning. So stand with your feet hip width apart and relax your body. Take a couple of deep breaths to calm your mind and prepare for the practice. Step 2 is performing the practice. So you can stand in this position and take one long deep inhalation and exhale out completely. Hold your breath out. Now pull your abdominal muscles towards the spine. Perform a rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the abdominal muscles, allowing them to move in and move out. Move in and move out. Remember, you are going to hold the breath after this exhalation while you are performing this abdominal movement. Continue this contraction and relaxation of your abdominal muscles for 10 to 20 reps or as long as you feel comfortable. Release the abdominal lock, relax yourself, and take regular breaths. Repeat the same cycle for 5 to 10 rounds, gradually increasing the durations and repetitions as you progress throughout the practice. And the step 3 is to cool down your body. So after completing the desired number of repetitions, stand still, take a few deep breaths to cool down your body, relax your abdomen, and allow your breath to return to its regular pattern. Now you can observe the sensations in your body and notice the effects of this practice, especially on your Manipuraka chakra. There are certain frequently asked questions while teaching this Kriya, which I'll be covering after exploring the benefits of this Agnisaar Kriya. Here are some of the important benefits of practicing the Agnisaar Kriya. First comes the physical benefits. As it involves the abdominal muscles, this improves our digestion, stimulating the digestive enzymes and enhances our gut health. And this strengthens our abdominal muscles, tones and strengthens the muscles in the abdominal region. Agnisaar Kriya boosts our metabolism, aiding in weight management. Agnisaar Kriya also enhances detoxification as it stimulates our excretory system, promoting the removal of toxins, the ama, from our body. Now let's look into the mental and emotional benefits. Agnisaar Kriya reduces stress and anxiety as it calms the mind and reduces the stress hormones in our system. It improves the mental clarity, it enhances focus, concentration, and mental alertness. It boosts our self-confidence. We all know that the Manipuraka chakra is responsible for our self-confidence, and thus this Agnisaar Kriya empowers the practitioners with a self of inner strength. And finally, the energetic and spiritual benefits. It balances the energy in our system, harmonizes the energy in the body, promoting balance and well-being, awakens the Kundalini energy, prepares the body for the spiritual growth and higher states of consciousness, and increases self-awareness, encouraging introspection and self-reflection. And always remember to practice Agnisaar Kriya under the guidance of a professional teacher to ensure proper technique and maximum benefits that is suitable for your body. There are some tips and techniques and precautions while practicing Agnisaar Kriya? So let's look into it. So always practice Agnisaar Kriya on an empty stomach. So at least after 2-3 hours of eating, and start slow. Begin with gentle contractions and gradually increase the intensity as you become more comfortable with the practice. Do not push yourself beyond your limits while doing this. And always focus on your breath. Remember, this Agnisar Kriya should be practiced in retention, in Kumbhaka. You need to exhale the air out completely and you need to hold your breath and then you need to practice. So it is important to respect your lung capacity, respect your Kumbhaka capacity and do not go beyond your level. And while doing this, you need to engage your core muscles, activate your core muscles to support your abdominal contractions. One can also start practicing asanas that focuses on the core strength to get expertise in Agnisar Kriya. And finally, practice regularly. Consistency is the key to experience the benefits of Agnisar Kriya. Similar to all other yogic techniques, Agnisar Kriya also have its own precautions. So avoid Agnisar Kriya if you have any abdominal issues like injuries or surgery or any chronic condition like hernia or ulcers. And if you are a pregnant woman, you must avoid this Agnisar Kriya, and even while the woman is menstruating, she cannot practice this Agnisar Kriya. And people with high blood pressure or cardiac issues should definitely do not practice this Agnisar Kriya. And not just this, if you have any other chronic conditions related to your respiratory system, then you must also practice this Agnisar Kriya only under the guidance of a professional yoga teacher. And if you feel dizziness or discomfort while practicing Agnisar Kriya, stop the practice and consult a teacher immediately. Always listen to your body. Honor your body's limitations. Adjust, give some rest when needed while practicing the Agnisar Kriya. And let me go through some of the frequently asked questions while teaching Agnisar Kriya. So, is Agnisar Kriya suitable for beginners? Yes, Agnisar Kriya can be practiced by beginners. However, it is important to learn the technique under the guidance of a qualified yoga teacher to ensure proper alignment and proper breathing while doing this practice. Can Agnisar Kriya help with weight loss? Yes, Agnisar Kriya can support weight loss by boosting your metabolism and improving your digestion. However, it should be complemented with a healthy diet and lifestyle for optimal results. How often should I practice Agnisar Kriya? So the frequency of Agnisar Kriya practice can vary depending upon the individual needs and goals, starting with a few minutes a day and gradually increasing the duration and frequency is recommended. Listen to your body and adjust the practice. Are there any age restrictions for Agnisar Kriya? Agnisar Kriya can be practiced by individuals of all age groups. However, it is important to modify the practice according to the individual's capabilities. Thank you so much for watching our video on Agnisar Kriya. We hope you find this video helpful in transforming your digestive health and energy levels. If you're interested in taking your practice to the next level, be sure to check out our video on Shatkarmas and Kunjal Kriya. These powerful techniques will help you to detoxify your body, boost your immune system and enhance your overall well-being. By combining the Agnisar Kriya with the Shatkarmas and Kunjal Kriya, you will be able to unlock the full potential of your body and mind. So click the description box to watch our Shatkarma and Kunjal Kriya video now. More importantly, do like, share and comment in our video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications whenever we post the next video so that you can get more yoga tutorials, tips and techniques. You can also get a copy of my book, Yogic Secrets of Eating for Weight Loss. If you are a person who wish to take control of your body and your mind through your hands, then this book is a good choice for you. If you wish to get a copy, do WhatsApp us in the given number below. You can also follow us in our Instagram and Facebook pages by clicking the links in the description box. You can also join with us in our WhatsApp community where you can discuss about your queries related to health, yoga and get it clarified by the professionals directly. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Nandri, Vanakkam.